Hello, my name is Amel and I'm a digital marketing consultant with 16 years experience in SEO. I've been teaching and helping entrepreneurs and small medium businesses increase their traffic and revenue from Google. What I have for you today is a complete done for you SEO video course PLR that you can actually rebrand, you can customize, you can add to it, edit it, and then you can start teaching this course to your own customer, clients, and other entrepreneurs to help them, again, get traffic from Google and make more revenue with their website. It's easy to get this, but I want you to check all the details that you are having on this page and all the files that you're getting, the detailed ebook for you, the audio version, the PDF, the PowerPoint presentation, and everything that you need to start teaching SEO to other businesses, to other entrepreneurs, to anyone who has a website. As you know, a website to make revenue, it needs traffic. And the best, most profitable traffic is traffic that you receive from Google. And also, as I'm sure you know, e-learning is really growing, and there's a lot of platform where you can actually start teaching and selling your own course, like I'm sure you know Udemy, you have Thinkific, and other platform. So check out all the details of what you're getting in this offer, and then get a copy for yourself and start selling the course to your customer.